Children, Ayubowan, today our lesson is let us improve our self-esteem. Grade 8 students, you know this is the first lesson of your health and physical education. First we learn about the self-esteem. Shall we recall the lessons you learned in grade 6 and 7? We learn about the needs. We all have different needs. The human needs we can categorize as basic needs. Basic needs are the factors that are essential for life. Air, water, and food can be identified as basic needs. Then, about the secondary needs. After the society becomes more complex, man began to have other needs in addition to the basic needs. These needs referred as secondary needs. Look at your screen. We can categorize secondary needs as secondary physical needs, secondary psychological needs, and social needs. Houses, buildings, clothes, vehicles, and jewelries. Those are the secondary physical needs. And remember, love and protection are secondary psychological needs. Then, sports, entertainment, education are examples for secondary social needs. After the fulfilling basic and secondary needs, then the higher needs come like self esteem. Then let's see what is the self esteem. Self esteem is the person's own evaluation of his or her own worth. Read it again with me. Self esteem is the person's own evaluation of his or her own worth. My dear children, I usually explain some difficult parts in Sinhala for your convenience. But if you want to refer this lesson in Sinhala, you can watch my Sinhala video. Then let's see about self-esteem. self-esteem ආත්ම අභිමානය කියන්නේ දුවේ පුතේ පුද්ගලයෙකුට තමන්ගේ වටිනාකම පිළිබඳව දැනෙන ගෞරවනීය හැඟීමට තමයි අපි ආත්ම අභිමානය කියන්නේ. Can you remember the instances that you could win? You might feel proud and positive evaluation about yourself. And what about your parents and teachers and your friends? They also felt proud and happy about your achievement. And you also then and you would be very happy and elated to tell your family and parents about this achievement. So my dear children, the feeling of pride and positive evaluation about yourself will improve your self esteem. Now you know what is the self esteem. It is the feeling about. Now my dear children, you know about the self esteem. Then we could understand you could proud about yourself because you was able to win those events. There are many tables. First one shows you some of abilities that you have to identify: singing, acting, computer literacy, gardening, debating, dancing, playing instruments. Those are the abilities. Then next table shows you person abilities and the achievement you can achieve. The languages become a poet or an author. Mathematics become a mathematician. Sporting abilities you can become a sportman or sportwoman. Now you know to develop our self esteem we need to identify our strength and abilities. My dear children, not only the skills and abilities, we also have improve our good characteristic. I will tell one by one: leadership, නායකත්වය, honesty, අවංක බව, patience, ඉවසීම, obedience, විනයගරුක බව, cooperation, සමාජයානුයෝගී බව, organizing skills, සංවිධාන ශක්තිය, altruism, පරාත්‍රකාමී බව, modesty, නියතමානී බව, discipline, නීතිගරුක බව, socialization, සහයෝගී බව. Those are the good characteristics that we have to improve. I will explain in Sinhala briefly. අප සතුව තියෙන දක්ෂතා, අපේ හැකියාවන් අපි හඳුනා ගන්නත්, අප සතුව තියෙන හොඳ ගතිගුණ වැඩි දියුණු කර ගැනීමෙනුත් අපිට අපේ ආත්ම අභිමානය දියුණු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. My dear children, you can see the Sinhala meaning of some new words at the end of this video. So don't forget to watch it. Whatever skills we possess, there are various factors that contribute in earning our self-esteem. We are going to learn about factors which have a positive impact on self-esteem, can divide into two groups as internal factors and external factors. Let's see about the internal factors. The factors which should be cultivated by us referred as internal factors. I will tell you some of them. Identifying your strengths and weaknesses, we call it self realization. Then self confidence, having commitment and enthusiasm, identifying your duties and responsibilities and fulfilling them without fail. Those are the factors which influence self esteem. Then, about the external factors, I will give you some external factors. First one is example and advice from parents and teachers. You can see those factors on your screen too. Second factor is recognitions, guidance and appreciation by teachers, adults, parents and well-wishers. Another factor is encouragement by way of awarding prizes and certificates. As above mentioned factors contribute towards earning our self-esteem. You can remind how the prizes and certificates encourage you for the better achievement. I will explain in Sinhala briefly. අපේ දක්ෂතා හැකියාවන් අපේ ශක්තිය ඒ වගේම හොඳ ගතිගුණ අපේ ආත්ම අභිමානය වැඩි දියුණු කරනවා වගේම සමහර සාධක තියෙනවා අපිට ධනාත්මකව අපේ ආත්ම අභිමානයට බලපාන අපි ඒවා කොටස් දෙකකට වෙන් කළා අභ්‍යන්තර සාධක හා බාහිර සාධක විදියට අභ්‍යන්තර සාධක විදියට අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා self realization ස්වයං අවබෝධය self confidence ආත්ම විශ්වාසය having commitment and enthusiasm කැපවීම උනන්දුව ඊළඟට identify your duties and responsibilities වගකීම් යුතුකම් අඳුරා ගැනීමත් fulfilling them ඒවා ඉටු කිරීමත් ඒ වගේම external factors බාහිර සාධක විදියට ඔයාගේ දෙමාපියන්ගෙන් ගුරුවරුන්ගෙන් ලැබෙන ආදර්ශ අවවාද ඒ වගේම අනිත් අය ඔයාව හඳුනා ගැනීම ඔයාව අගය කිරීම ඔයාව මෙහෙයවීම වගේම ඔයා දන්නවා ඔයාට ලැබෙන සම්මාන සහතික කුසලාන ඔයාව කොයි තරම් දිරිමත් කරන්න ඉවහල් වුණාද කියලා. Then we can make our contribution towards boosting the self-esteem of our younger brothers and younger sisters and our friends and the people around us. And Sri Lanka won the World Cup cricket in 1996. The whole country felt proud and happy regarding the achievements and they could boost our self esteem. Those with high self esteem must be conscious of self esteem of others and must not act in ways which will have a negative influence on the self esteem of others. ඒ කියන්නේ දුවේ පුතේ ඔයා ඔයාගේ ආත්ම අභිමානය වැඩි කර ගන්නවා එක්කම අනිත් අයගේ ආත්ම අභිමානය ගැන සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕනේ. සමහර කරුණු තියෙනවා ඔයාගේ ආත්ම අභිමානයට ඍණාත්මකව අහිතකර විදියට බලපාන කරුණු. Let's see the factors which have a negative impact on self-esteem. These negative factors also we can divide into two groups, internal factors and social factors. Internal factors are breaking social norms and morals. සමාජයේ තියෙන සම්මත සදාචාර කැඩීම, violating the law, නීති කැඩීම. Those are the internal negative factors. What are the factors which have a negative impact? These are the social factors. Social rejection, සමාජයෙන් ප්‍රතික්ෂේප වීම, lack of appreciation, අගය කිරීම අඩුවීම, being criticized, විවේචනය, being ridiculed or bullied, හිරිහැර කරදරවලට ලක්වීම, being abused, අපයෝජනය. Now you could understand what are the factors that have a positive impact and negative impact on self-esteem. Then we will see about the people around us. You know, each person is unique. We have different characteristics and abilities. Therefore, we must appreciate the positive aspects of each person. See these examples. A doctor will cure patients while a farmer will provide food for people. And also, engineers will provide the technical knowledge, and technicians and skilled workers help us to build building. So, my dear children, we must appreciate the good work done by all of them and treat everyone equally. So, my dear children, I hope now you could realize what is the self esteem. That about the lesson. What about your self esteem? To develop your self esteem, you must first identify your abilities and your good characteristics. Then make a path and go for your best achievement. You must use to tell yes I can instead of telling no I can't. Your teachers will provide opportunities for all to demonstrate and develop your special abilities and skills. And you will improve your self esteem, and one day you will achieve your dreams. You know, people with good self esteem contribute positively to the society. That is what this lesson teach you, and that is what I want to teach you. So, my dear children, I hope you clearly understand this lesson and you can join my later videos. And dear children, don't forget to share these videos with peers. And also remember to like and comment me. If you want to join with my videos furthermore, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe and happy.